All right. What's the bet? My head's cut off the frame here. Doesn't matter. Hello and welcome back to the channel. A while ago I put up a community post. I bought universal handlebar risers off Woolworths Marketplace. I thought it would be funny. I didn't measure a thing, and for about $18, this is what arrived. Now, a quick disclaimer here. This didn't actually come from Woolworths. Woolworths, Big W, all those supermarket marketplaces are just drop shippers. These actually came from TRD Moto, which, if you've been following the channel since my motorized bike days, TRD Moto is where I got pretty much all of my engines and kits from. The entire Mark V project was made from TRD Moto kits. So the BT100 and the e-bike conversion, all was TRD Moto. So I went straight onto the TRD Moto site and ordered these separately because they were cheaper. But yes, the listing, I did find these on Woolworths to begin with. So of course I didn't measure a single thing. I just looked at the listing and I've gone, 29mm bolt spacing looks all right. So let me bring the camera over here and I'll show you my process. So without ever having measured anything, I got out here and I went, you know what? That looks to be 29mm from center to center. And I thought I was in luck because that's exactly what the listing said. But when I got these, I measured them, 35mm. There's no way I can make 35mm fit 29mm. And so realizing that there's no way I could possibly put this on the bike, I went on to MX Moto. What I did end up buying for about $40 was a set of Ballard's handlebar risers. All right, let's see how that feels as I sit on it. Okay. That's definitely different. Probably going to have to reimagine how I sit on that. But I was going for a bit more of a sat back riding style. Yeah, they're not shifting in there at least. All right. Okay. So that's about a 30mm rise. I had to drag, that's the brake lines. I had to drag that up through that bracket to get the handlebars to even raise that high in the first place. I'm pretty happy with the position of them tilted this way, but I'm definitely going to have to change where my mirrors sit. All right. Well, that was it for fitting the handlebar risers. It was about as difficult as I expected because Honda does not like you modifying this bike in any way, shape or form. And I was never able to find anything specifically made for this bike that I could get locally. So yeah, I'll take it on a test drive and I'll see how it feels. I always forget to record an outro. I'm not sure if that's even safe. So I just wanted to do this to see if I could. Make your own decisions when you're changing anything on your own bike. Be careful of what advice you follow, because as always, don't do what Nick does. I've got no idea how safe or secure this is going to be, but short of pulling on the bars myself, it feels okay. And I'm going to leave it there and get ready to record my very next video. So we'll see you on the next one.